When you're searching your aunt's things and you find money.
Gaffering, you can't do. You spend too much. I don't know what silver doing a gold. How you are doing this.
Hi. I'm not posing a video. Hey guys, good morning and welcome to the vlog. So it is Sunday. Why?
Because you always aim in front, you need to aim so we can see everything. I will say your big nose.
Sorry, my hand them small. So yeah guys, you know, get a style. So we are going to church. And poor me, only look what me have to do. If you want to go down the hill in a nash, little slippers them. If you just walk down the hill, cause my shoes, I hurt my foot.
Nash, get your hair done by Shakay and Nash. Get your hair, nails, makeup.
Hey guys, so I haven't checked in with you guys from day. So basically we are at a convention basically. So JBU, we have convention every year. So at this time we have our convention. So we are in Montego Bay. Hello dress, behave yourself. Anyways, we're in a Montego Bay. Get married here.
We are with markup, you know?
Shoes though. Shoes though.
Alright. You're busy. You're busy. Yes.
Hi, Auntie John. Say hi to the vlog.
Hello, okay.
How you doing?
Nikki, this is for you, Nikki. Hi, Auntie John. Hi, Kay. Give me a kiss. You're vexed. Woo, hush, Nikki. We love you. You know we love you, sweetie.
Where country?
Guys, we are leaving the convention center.
I was blessed.
Yeah. But my people, like maybe a hat.
My fan battery low.
Yeah, my fan gone. Me I feel charge it. Good morning guys. So I came back very late last night, so I'm gonna end my vlog here. So I hope you guys enjoy the vlog and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Another one. Got him. I feel like Usain in the cheetah print.